Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today is another episode. I'm going to be showing you how I make this beautiful soap. As you can see, dangling here like this. I'm going to be showing you how I made it. It's called loofah exfoliating soap. This soap is very nice. It's very good for your skin. It helps you to wash away dead skin cells. It's really very good and it makes your skin glow. It's used for all type of skin, for dark, fair, any type of skin. It's very good. You can use it for your baby if you want to, from 5 years above, please. So guys, this video I'm going to show you is very easy, very easy. You can do this thing by yourself. You don't need to pay anyone to do it. You can get the things online on eBay and do it by yourself. Guys, if you love my videos and you haven't subscribed, what are you waiting for? Guys, subscribe, share, tell your friends, just give us a thumbs up. Tell anyone, please guys, and stay tuned. Continue watching this video. Don't go anywhere. Bye guys. Using the Met and Pork crystal soap base that I'll be using. Then this is it. I just melted it. If you melt it, just use spoon to always keep stirring it, not to make it solid. Before you know it becomes so solid. I'll be using my vanilla. And then I'll be using the colors. I'll be using the different colors, the 6 different colors for the 6 loafers. So guys, let's just see how it goes. I'll be pouring mine, because it's an exfoliating soap, so I'll be pouring my vanilla, little portion of my vanilla, and then I'll just stir very well so that the vanilla can actually mix between all of them, vanilla can actually mix. Guys, I'm going to show you how I get the colors. So what I do now is I'm going to take a little bowl and I'm going to share a little portion into the bowl. I'm going to take the green soap color. I'm just going to add little, 3 drops is okay, and I'll stir it together. See how beautiful it looks. See, it's still hot. I don't want it to get cold, so it will not just become solid. So all I do is I pour. This thing is very easy for you to make by yourself at home. It's very easy. You don't need to go and spend money to be buying it. Exfoliating soap. See, it's very easy. Leave it for like 2 hours to dry. So I'm going to fill the rest with different colors. So you can do yours, any color you want to do, feel free to do yours, and leave it for 2 hours to dry. So guys, come back when it's dry. So guys, as you can see, our loofah soap is ready. It's so beautiful. So let's take it out from the mold. So cute, so beautiful. This is so nice, red. Wow, this is so beautiful. This is the blue. This is a rose pink. And this is the yellow. Oh my god, it's so beautiful. This is the orange. So guys, this is it. It's very easy. You can make it at home by yourself. You can do this thing by yourself. You don't need to pay anybody. You can make these things by yourself at home. Use it to bathe. It's a soap for bathing. Exfoliates, remove dead skin cells for any type of skin, dark skin, brown skin, fair skin, white skin, you can use it. Guys, if you love all the things I do, subscribe to my channel, share, like, comment. Just let your friends see this video, show them. You don't need to buy these things, just subscribe, give us a thumbs up, share, comment. Please, we love your comments. Thanks guys for watching, and stay tuned for my next video. Bye.